When you go to bed at night and your head hits the pillow, do you worry? Are you concerned about your health or what would happen if you got sick? Have you heard the #1 reason for personal bankruptcy is an illness? Do you think about the bills that you need to pay, or do you wonder how secure your job is? You see, over just the past few years, times have changed dramatically, and the American dream seems to be slipping further away as people struggle for financial stability, vibrant health, and peace of mind. But times like this also offer great opportunities. Hi, I'm BK Barreco. A few years ago, I embarked on a mission to help people live better, to create a formula and an opportunity that would help people improve their physical health and their financial outlook. A plan to literally reinvent their life. And with the help of some great people, what we've created may just be the answer you've been searching for.
Everybody needs this product.
I think it's something for everybody.
You know, I see where I'm going and I'm having success with it, and I don't want anyone to come back at me in the future and be like, why didn't you tell me about it?
Introducing the VIMA Nutrition Program. VIMA stands for Vitamins, Essential Minerals, Mangosteen, and Aloe, and is a complete liquid nutritional foundation rooted in the Southeast Asian superfruit called the mangosteen. This antioxidant-rich formula, this one-a-day liquid supplement, contains 12 full-spectrum vitamins, more than 65 major trace and ultra-trace plant-source minerals, along with the powerful legendary properties of aloe vera and green tea. You know, VIMA is quite possibly the world's most powerful liquid antioxidant.
Kids, adults, seniors, anyone can use this product. It's simple, it's easy, and it's complete.
When they think about making a decision to move towards wellness instead of away from wellness, they can start with getting their foot in the door with something really simple.
You know, I wake up and go to the gym and I'm happy, and it's 7 in the morning and people are asking me, what are you on? What are you taking?
Being a professional football player, you're very active, you're very busy, have a tight schedule. So it's easy to take, you know, a V2 shot of VIMA and take it and go on the road. I mean, pack 10 or 15 of them if you want. If you're busy, you just pull one out the suitcase and it's one shot and you get everything you need in one daily supplement and you can go on about your day.
You can choose from 5 convenient bioavailable delivery systems. The hugely popular 32-ounce bottle, and if you're looking for nutrition on the go, try our single-serving 2-ounce V2. Or you can get your Power Pack nutrients with an energy boost in a healthy drink or shot called Verve. It's the same nutrition, just different ways to get it into your body.
And with a simple 2-ounce vitamin shot or an 8-ounce energy drink, who would have ever thought that you'd be giving your body complete nutrition?
So what I've done is every time before a race, I actually slam a Verve energy drink, and it works great. It keeps me alert the entire time, and I don't get that ensuing crash either.
After I train and after a race, it's really important within the first 15 to 30 minutes to put the right nutrition into your body.
You know, whether you're 2 or 102, when you drink VIMA, Verve, or Next, it's really a clever way to get the critical nutrients your family needs every day. We'd like you to think of it as nutrition for a lifetime.
You know, they're getting the fast foods and they're just not getting their nutritional needs, not even coming close. And it really makes a difference, you know, if you can take your VIMA, get your 2 ounces in and have all of your nutritional needs met.
Well, you know, all the studies show today that people are moving away from pills, tablets, and powders and are trending towards good-tasting liquids.
Think about this. No more choking down pills or tablets. You know, try it for yourself and you'll fall in love with the way you feel. I guarantee you, with an empty bottle, money back, no questions asked, 30-day guarantee. There's no doubt that the VIMA formula is for everyone. In fact, Men's Journal magazine named VIMA the best overall super juice, placing it firmly as a person's only choice when it comes to selecting the best, most potent super juice available. And Ms. Fitness magazine named Verve Product of the Year. It's also an opportunity to improve your financial future.
VIMA allows you to control the conditions financially in your own life.
This opportunity couldn't be any simpler. You know, there's no employees, there's no overhead, there's no stress about it. It's just a matter of getting the product into people's hands.
And already my residual income that comes in on a monthly basis is exciting. But aside from that, I think it's just having that feeling when you wake up in the morning that you have a sense of purpose and that you're leading a purpose-driven life. You know, it's nice to wake up in the morning and know there's a light at the end of the tunnel and it's not a train.
It takes work, you know. Whatever you want to put into it is what you're going to get out of it, but the benefits that you're going to get from this opportunity are so amazing.
Well, I don't know if the VIMA opportunity is your answer, but it's quickly becoming the answer for thousands of people and tens of thousands of families just like yours. You see, as the owner, I made the decision not to pay tens of millions of dollars to advertising agencies. Instead, I use those same dollars to reward people that fall in love with what this product can do and let others know about it. You see, everybody agrees word of mouth is the best form of advertising. I just pay you for it.
Well, you know, the Vima product is easy to share. Vima, Verve, either one. Simply because today people have a desire to be well more than ever before.
Because I've had such huge results with the product myself, it's so easy to share with the people that I love and care about. I just hand them a V2 and they try it and they love it.
It's simply an act of giving it to somebody who check it out, they drink it for a month, and then they're already referring people.
All you do is pass out the drink, people dig it, they go to your site, they buy it, and you get a check. I mean, it's that easy.
At Vima, we care about families. Helping people help people is at the core of our values. And in times like these, wouldn't you want to partner with a company that puts people before profits?
People want to be with a positive group of people, with a company that's got a great message. And we're out there to rescue them.
I think we offer hope to people right now with the way things are, and we give them a success plan.
And your momentum really comes from people knowing exactly what their first action step is. So the simplicity launched the program faster than what we could keep up with because everyone knew exactly what to do first.
His commitment today to the newest member, to wanting to provide an opportunity that really gives not only a new member the hope of changing the condition financially, but giving them control, giving them the control of how to be able to do that. That's a company with heart.
We're all about helping others create peace of mind, both physically and financially. Giving them less to worry about in life and more to celebrate. So is Vima your answer? You tell me. Do you want the security of owning your own business and stop letting others tell you what you're worth? Are you looking for worry-free financial freedom? Are you ready to become a brand partner with Vima? If you think you deserve a shot at success, team up with us. Tap into our expertise. You see, Vima, Verve, and Next will be the next billion-dollar brands over the next few years. And right now, you have an opportunity to become a brand partner with us, a brand ambassador for the next great, massively consumable product.
So I'm excited about what's going to happen in the next couple of years as we take this brand from a few million a month to 100 million a month. Momentum, that's where the money's made. That's where we are right now with Verve and Vima.
I think this Verve thing is going to take it to the next level and make this company a billion-dollar company.
Our infrastructure and brand building will give you the opportunity to create a home-based business you can run from your computer anywhere in the world.
The Vima home office team makes my life so much easier. You know, from the customer support on the phone to the shipping, it's phenomenal.
In times like these, I think we've all seen the idea of corporate job security vanish. So you may be asked, where does a person turn now if they can't count on a job? Well, the answer is you need to start counting on yourself. You need to team up with us and create your own business and take advantage of an opportunity to create true financial freedom. We're going to help you every step of the way with our proven plan and leadership. And whether you have a goal of an extra $100 a week or if you have a dream to earn $100,000 a month, people like you have already accomplished this kind of success with Vima. And you know, when other companies may be in crisis mode right now, the timing and opportunity for Vima is incredible. We're a solid company you can count on to make you look great in business, and we're poised for massive growth over just the next few years. Getting started is simple. Just decide how much product you want to start with and place an order. There's no sign-up fees, there's no long-term commitments, just an amazing opportunity for you to build something that you and your family will be proud of. And when you invest in yourself, I'll also invest in you by providing you with a marketing website that will help you tell the story and will handle a ton of the details for you. Well, that's it. That's our story. And it'll only get better once you become a part of it. Just team up with the person that introduced you to Vima, and let's get to work.